Hi, sir.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Can you tell me more about your shop?
My name is Raza, so I'm the owner of Barq Auto. We have 20 plus years of experience in auto repair field. We are located in Alqouz and we are dealing with all types of brand. We are specialized in European car, American car, Japanese car, and also EVs car. EVs mean electrical vehicle.
Okay, can you tell me more about the services that you have?
We are providing to our customer auto mechanical works, auto electrical work, denting and painting.
All right, and can you tell me if there is any special rates or discount?
Anyone who will watch this video will get definitely a very good discount. So come on guys, come here to Barq.
Okay, and where are you located, sir?
We are located in Alqouz Industrial Area 3, just behind Khalij Times and very near to Tiffany Company. We are the member of BNI Group. It's a business networking group, and these are our certificates of performance. We got highest one-to-ones we sponsor in BNI, and we got excellent service certificates from BNI. We are very best in paint matching because paint matching is very crucial thing, and we are best to repair sunroofs and convertible roof. This car is a special car from Range Rover, and its convertible roof having problem, we fix it. Okay, so this is EV kit. So as a proof that we are repairing all types of electric vehicles. So even we have a machine to check battery, alternator and charger. So we don't check manually, we check all the things with computer.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.